point-to-point hand-wired, 4 KT88 tubes, 45 watts, triode and ultralinear switchable. The Willsenton R8 is the most talked-about budget flagship tube amplifier on the market. Audio Karma and Head-Fi have thousands of posts on it. Here's why. What it can handle. Speaker amplification earns 9.1. 45 watts per channel in ultralinear and 25 in triode from 4 KT88 tubes, with point-to-point wiring and wideband EI transformers, delivers a sound quality that KT88 amp guide reviewers place firmly in a mid-tier pre-built category alongside amplifiers costing significantly more. Tube rolling versatility scores 8.8. Switchable between KT88, EL34, and 6550 via rear selector, giving 3 meaningfully different sonic characters from one chassis confirmed across Audio Karma and Head-Fi form testing. Headphone output quality scores 4.8. Head-Fi and Audio Karma both independently flag the headphone out as convenience grade and noticeably inferior to the speaker stage. Remote volume control scores 5.1, as large increment steps make fine level adjustment genuinely frustrating in daily use. Daily performance. Sonic character and imaging earns 9.0. Audio Karma reviewer noted immediate improvement over solid-state amplifiers in smoothness, vocal presence, and string texture even before full burn-in, with the triode mode specifically praised for intimate listening and the ultralinear mode for dynamic orchestral passages. Build quality scores 9.1. 60 kilogram chassis with aviation aluminum alloy, piano lacquer finish, point-to-point hand soldering, ALPS Japanese motorized potentiometer, and gold-plated CNC copper terminals set a construction standard that rivals amplifiers costing multiples of this price. Burn-in requirement scores 5.6. 100 to 300 hours of required burn-in before optimal sound is reached is a real-time commitment that new tube amp buyers must understand before expecting reference performance. Bias maintenance scores 6.2, as periodic manual bias adjustment is required using the front panel meter and a multimeter. User experience. Value in the mid-tier tube market earns 9.2. The KT88 amp guide, identifying the R8 alongside the Yachin MC100B as the most balanced value in the $800 to $2,500 pre-built segment, is a consensus position confirmed across multiple independent audiophile communities. Triode and ultralinear mode flexibility scores 8.6. The ability to switch between soft, intimate triode character for vocals and strings and the open, powerful ultralinear character for orchestral and rock music from one front panel button is a genuine daily use advantage. Remote control refinement scores 5.1. The Audio Karma reviewer specifically noted the volume increment problem as an annoyance that reduces the premium remote experience. New buyer learning curve scores 6.4. Bias adjustment, burn-in expectations, and tube matching knowledge are required for optimal ownership. Who it's for. Audiophiles entering tube amplification earn 9.2. The R8 is the consensus entry point recommendation across Head-Fi, Audio Karma, and tube amp community forums for buyers wanting genuine hand-wired push-pull KT88 performance without a 5-figure budget. Tube rollers and experimenters scored 9.0. KT88, EL34, and 6550 compatibility plus 6SN7 and 6SL7 driver tube rolling, giving almost unlimited tonal customization in one chassis. Headphone primary listeners score 4.4. The speaker-out focused design and weak headphone stage make dedicated headphone amplifiers the better choice. Buyers wanting plug-and-play simplicity score 5.6. Burn-in, bias, and tube knowledge requirements make this a rewarding but demanding ownership experience. Is it worth it? Build and component value earns 9.1. The LPS potentiometer, gold CNC terminals, point-to-point wiring, and piano lacquer chassis at this price is construction quality that Head-Fi and Audio Karma both confirmed rivals amplifiers costing significantly more. Sonic performance value scores 9.0. Headphone and remote value scores 4.8. Maintenance and burn-in value scores 6.2. The CineTech overall score for the Willsenton R8 KT88 is 8.3 out of 10, 4.2 stars. The best hand-wired push-pull tube amplifier at this price. Go in knowing the burn-in, bias, and remote volume limitations before your first listening session.